So we got banana peel and we got the cloves inside of it, right? So you can see that is very healthy. Now we are going to put some pimento seed into the water. Pimento seed is very good to use in it. So we got ripe banana peel and pimento seed and cloves. And this one is bay leaf. Put a few leaves inside of it from the bay leaf. I love bay leaf. Give it a mix. All right, look at that. So we got the banana leaf, bay leaf, cloves, pimento seed. Look at that. And Amazon. All right, get yourself one. Pour it off. All right, that's the banana peel. Okay, I just drink it just like this. So put that into the water and you can drink it just like that. All right, you can put some honey if you like to, but you don't need to. The better for you to drink it just as it is. All right, now Mike, now you might say, Chef Ricardo, what is this good for? This is good for helping you to cleanse the whole entire body, all right, and detoxing the body. So hope you guys will enjoy it and leave in the comments. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right, and remember to get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose.